Hello family. Today we discuss about organization of human body. Human body organized from 37 trillion cells. This cell to four type of tissue. Those are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue and nervous tissue. Those tissue made up to 80 organs, for example, brain, heart, lung, liver, stomach, kidney, and others. This organ forms organ system. In human body, there are 11 organ system: integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, urinary, and reproductive system.